Hello everyone. In the previous video, we had explored how to hack victims' browser and run myriads of attacks. Let's learn how to defend from such attacks in future. Beef framework makes use of JavaScript which needs to be executed on victims' browser in order to take control of their browser. JavaScripts are widely used across websites on internet and is often served from the server side. Having said this, there is no easy way to keep a check on legitimate JavaScript execution before opening a website. If we can make use of some filter which will allow safe JavaScript execution based on list provided for site which we trust, can potentially save us from such beef attacks. Luckily, we have extensions in Chrome and Firefox which does the same for us in an automated fashion. These are the two browser extensions for Chrome, and we have the availability for the same for Firefox as well. Let's take a quick look for both of these extensions. This is the NoScript suite for Chrome. As you can see from the description, NoScript Suite Lite provides an extra security for your browser. It allows JavaScript to be executed only by trusted websites of your choice. Let's say you got a link from one of your friend and he asks you to visit the link, but you're not sure if the website is safe to visit, then you can exclude that website or you can mark that website into the untrusted zone. And the JavaScript, and when you'll visit the website, the JavaScript will not be executed because it will be controlled by NoScript Suite Lite defined rules for JavaScript execution. Another solution is Wagon Chrome extension, which is designed specifically to defeat beef attacks. This is an extensive work to protect against beef browser exploitation framework attacks. You can take a look at it. A very decent explanation about the whole extension is already available on the website. I hope this information will help you protect yourself from such attacks in future. Thank you for taking this course.